Do you want better SEO but you're using free WordPress? Let's add meta tags to your websites. In this video, I will show you how to add in meta tag in free WordPress. So, to get started, go ahead and open WordPress, and then once you're on WordPress, head over into the site where you want to add meta tags to. So, from here, go ahead and click on this edit site button, which you'll find at the top left of your screen, and that will allow you to edit your site. So in here, make sure to click on the header of your WordPress website, and then that will take you into a new page. So in here, go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right of your screen and set this to code editor. Go ahead and change the links embedded on the header section into the links, such as the meta tags that you fetch to be able to boost your SEO. And then click on the save button at the top right of your screen to save the changes that you've made on your header. And that is how you can basically add meta tags in free WordPress. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.